Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. I did do this red smoky eye with the glitter eyeliner. I do hope you guys enjoy this video. If you are new and you are interested in watching more of my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Already went ahead and did my face off camera, and I applied loose powder to bake just so I will catch the fallout. I did want to go ahead and recreate this look by Maki Guzman on Instagram. I am going to start off with the Main Squeeze palette by ColourPop, and I'm going to start off with the shade Like It's Hot to apply it on the lid. With this shade, you are going to want to pack it on the lid and just get it to the opacity that you want it to. I'll be going in with the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills with the Morphe M441 brush, and I'm going to be using the shade Burnt Orange just to blend out the red and apply the burnt orange on the crease. You are going to want to take your time in blending this just because you are playing with reds and you want it to look as blended as possible. In the process of me blending the burnt orange with Like It's Hot, I did get a rag just to clean off the brush to get Like It's Hot off the brush, so I will just continue to blend. And I'll continue to blend with no product on the brush at all, and I'll continue to wipe down the brush as I go. To deepen up the crease, I am going to get red bottoms from the Main Squeeze palette with the E17 brush by Morphe, and I'm just going to apply that right in the crease. And with the Morphe M441 brush, I am going to go back and blend. I am going to continue to apply red bottoms in the crease to get it as dark as I want it to be. I never realized my camera went out of focus, so I'm sorry. Like I did mention, I was going to go back in with the Morphe M411 brush with no product at all, just to blend out the red bottom shade so it won't look as harsh. To do my eyeliner, I'm going to take the Stila liquid glitter eyeshadow in Smoke Storm. I will continue to add glitter as I go throughout the whole time that I'm doing eyeliner, just to get it as opaque as I would want it to be. With the Morphe E17 brush, I did get Like It's Hot to blend it in the lower lash line. I am going to take Cypress Umber from the ABH palette with the pointed eye brush just to deepen up the lower lash line as well. I'll be taking the Morphe E17 brush once again just to blend out Cypress Umber. For lashes, I'm going in with the Ojo Tapatio lashes in the style Tequila. Once I was done with the eye look, I did go ahead and wipe off the bake from under my eyes. I am gonna speed through the process of me doing the eyeshadow on the other eye, just so the video won't be that long. Blend my lashes with the false eyelashes. I'm going to take the CoverGirl 3-in-1 mascara, and I'm going to apply it to my bottom lashes as well. To bronze my face, I'm going to take the Hoola bronzer by Benefit with the e.l.f. pointed highlighting brush. For my blush, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. blush with the same pointed highlighting brush. Highlight my face, I'm going to take the MAC Cosmetics Extra Dimension Skin Finish in Double Gleam with the Real Techniques highlighting brush. For my lips, I'm going to be using the Kylie Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick in the shade Exposed. This is the final look. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.